This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing access and preserving data. Log into the owner account, confirm 2FA, then export products, orders, and customers as CSV files so nothing is lost. While those exports run, notify staff and block new checkouts by setting inventory to 0 or marking products as unavailable. Make sure open orders are identified. You will fulfill or refund them next. Once done, remove any sensitive API keys and rotate passwords to protect accounts during the shutdown. Next, you clean up integrations to stop recurring costs and data access. Uninstall every third-party app and cancel subscriptions from the apps page. Keep receipts for accounting. Disconnect payment gateways so no future charges or payouts happen, and remove unpublished themes and unused assets to lower storage. Revoke API keys and uninstall private apps to close external access. Finally, transfer or remove custom domains and email hosting. Make sure DNS and Whois transfers are complete before proceeding to closure. When everything is cleaned, you close the store from settings right arrow plan, right arrow close store. Enter your password and a brief reason to confirm. Make sure all outstanding invoices are paid so Shopify does not suspend or retain charges. If you have a custom domain, either transfer it away or remove it before closing. Otherwise, renewals may continue. After closure, keep exported backups for at least 12 months for tax and record keeping. Troubleshooting tip: if the close button is disabled, recheck active apps or unpaid invoices. Those block closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.